Doctor, Yisheng, nurse, Hushi, patient, Bingran, pharmacist, Yao Jishi, medicine, Yao, prescription, Chu Fang, treatment, Zili Yao, examination, Jian Cha, result, Jiguo, emergency, Jizhen, emergency room, Jizhenshi, surgery, Shu Shu, wheelchair, Dunyi, dentistry, Yake, ophthalmologist, Yanke,